Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today we are going to make a table runner in 10 minutes. This table runner consists of 2 pieces of fabric. One is 9 inches by width of fabric and one is 18 inches by width of fabric, and you'll also need some stabilizer. I'm going to be using my True Cut rotary cutter from the Grace Frame Company today, my True Cut ruler, and some finesse thread in the color Candy Apple. Let's get started. Here I have the 2 pieces of fabric that I'm going to be using to make my 10-minute table runner. It just so happens that I have a piece of fabric that I cut at 12.5 inches by width of fabric. So I am going to use this to create the inside of my table runner in order to get my 9-inch piece. Now I will do the same thing, only I need an 18-inch piece. Now I can measure my 18 inches. I have this piece of stabilizer and I need to attach it to my 9-inch strip of my table runner. I am going to be using my 505 spray. I'm just going to lightly spray and then lay my batting down and press, and then do the same to the other side. Then I'm going to put this piece with the right side to the right side of the poinsettia fabric, and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam along this edge. Here you can see I sewed a 1/4 inch seam all along the edge of the 9-inch piece placed on top of the 18-inch by width of fabric piece. Now what we're going to do is going to seem maybe a little odd, but I'm going to fold over the 18-inch piece to the edge of the 9-inch piece. I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam along this edge, and right sides are together. So now we have our table runner with our tube. So we are going to turn it right side out. And then we need to press both sides evenly to the right and left of our green. Now what we are going to do is we are going to fold it in half with the backing touching itself. And I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam of each of the ends. We are going to snip this back corner. You don't want to cut the seam, but you just want to get rid of some of the excess fabric here. We need to do that on both sides. Now this is like a magic trick. You are going to turn this inside out. So that pretty fabric that you thought you weren't going to see because it was on the back is now also on the front. Then what we want to do is we want to top stitch so that we can put this piece down. And I've got a little bit of thread showing. And what I can do is I can open my seams when I put this down so that this goes down flat. And you can pin it down so that you can make sure when you actually tack it down with stitching, it's exactly where you want it to be. So in 10 minutes you can make this table runner, and actually you could use it on either side. This table runner consists of 2 pieces of fabric, and 4 seams. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everybody. Until next time, bye.